I'm looking to expand my involvement in the profession and help bring more diversity to the profession. And so I saw MBBA as a way to provide that impact. Well, I've learned that MBBA is important in the profession as the black bar in New York City. We've really been working hard, and I'm looking forward to continuing that work in growing the Black Bar Association as well as pipeline and mentorship programs. MBBA is a great place for family as well as education, mentorship, and general support.